Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be making a very cute Play-Doh crocodile. Yes, that looks a little scary, but definitely easy to make. So let's get started. For this, we're going to be needing green Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, pen, and a Play-Doh knife. Now, take some green Play-Doh and cut it into two. Then cut out one part of the two pieces. Now take the larger tube of green Play-Doh and roll it gently, tapering it at the end so that it looks like the tail of the crocodile. This is going to be the body of the crocodile. Great! Now take another chunk of green Play-Doh and roll it. Now mold the upper part of it a little bit, just like this. And roll it again. Now press the edges with your fingers, just like that, and keep the other end a little bit pointy. Now fold it into half. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, that's the face of the crocodile. That was actually pretty easy, wasn't it? Amazing. Now let's take a little more green Play-Doh and roll it. Cut it into a proper half. That makes two. Now cut it into four. Now it's time for some detailing on the body of the crocodile. And for that, we're going to need to use the Play-Doh knife. You can make all kinds of designs, but just for starters, these two lines give a sense of the spine. Now attach the face to the body. Already is beginning to take shape, huh? And take a little bit more green Play-Doh. And with this, we're going to attach them as the legs. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? One leg down, 3 to go. A little bit, roll it, press it at one end, and make sure it matches with the other leg so it's even. All right, we've got all the legs attached. Just want to make sure they're pressed together into the body firmly. And you can give it a little bit of detailing to make it look perfect. By detailing it, just a little bit of lines, a little bit of his hoofs, fingers. Do crocodiles have fingers? I don't know. But it looks much more realistic that way. Now take some red Play-Doh and roll it out evenly. And you want to press down on one side, but it's not exactly a cone. It's going to be more flat. Give it a little bit of detailing. Now take some green Play-Doh and roll it thin. This is going to be very thin and about the same length of the crocodile, obviously. Give it a little pinch all along the way. And you attach that on top of the body. And we're going to do that once again for the other part of the back. Again, roll it out very thinly. And again, we're going to use our thumb and finger to pinch it all along the way. Nice and easy. Just put it on top of your other detailing. So you have these two lines on top of the crocodile. Perfect. You can use the knife for a little bit more detailing here. That looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, we're almost done. Now cut out some green Play-Doh, small balls. Those really small balls. Roll them. Now with your finger and thumb, make them into little spikes. And then stick them on the back of the crocodile. It's going to look very dangerous with these things on his back. Now use the pen, but use the back side of it to make a round shape detailing on the body. You can also use the pen's refill, the little plastic inside the pen, to make these round diagrams and designs on the crocodile. The detailing makes it really look good. Now use the pen to make those big scary nostrils of the crocodile. We're almost there, but I think we need to do a little bit of detailing on his face. Now use some white Play-Doh balls to make the eyeballs of the crocodile. Just 2 small balls and roll nice and neat. Press them into the eye sockets you made. Now take some green Play-Doh, press it and cut it in half. See those semicircles? So stick them on top of the white eyeballs, and they will look like eyelids. Now put the tongue inside the mouth. That's right, red Play-Doh. Push it inside, lifting up the green, just like that. Now, it wouldn't be a crocodile if he didn't have some sharp teeth. So take some white Play-Doh and just roll very small pieces. Make them sharp and pointy, and attach them to make some killer-looking teeth of the crocodile. Finally, take the knife and just do some final detailing, authenticity, and make it scary-like. His entire body can be filled with all kinds of little etches and marks and things. And there you go. The Play-Doh Crocodile is ready. He looks scary and cute, but it was really simple. Wasn't it a lot of fun? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Play-Doh videos.